Ganden Monastery during the preparations for the celebration of the Tibetan New Year in 1985. These monks are preparing ritual objects for an important ceremony to be held in connection with the New Year. The most important of these are the ritual cakes, known as torma, made from a base of dough, shaped and embellished according to a combination of oral and written tradition. Some of the tormas have painted flames and terrifying moulded clay heads, but each is precise in symbolic detail in relation to the type of ritual to be performed. The torma are decorated with coloured butter, and every intricate motif expresses some aspect of the Buddhist path to enlightenment. Outside, the finishing touches are put to the banners that will head a procession at the end of the ritual. Here again, the colour, shape and proportion of the banner conveys a symbolic meaning, as does the trident at the top. The rituals performed on successive nights and days leading up to the New Year are intended to purify all individual and collective negative actions that may have been committed throughout the preceding year. In this way, one can begin the new year with a clean slate. the end of 3 days and nights, the ritual cakes are brought out of the prayer hall and taken in procession to a nearby open space. The ceremony ends as the previous year's negativities, symbolized as having entered into the ritual cake, are consumed by fire.